Hello, welcome back for another Move It Monday activity as a part of the Strive for Health April Wellness Challenge. My name is Mary Ann Wright and I'm a 4-H area educator and assistant to the regional coordinator for Lincoln University Cooperative Extension. Today I have several helpers helping me with our activity, and our activity today is called Household Circuit Training. Circuit training is a great way to get moving and work on your strength, endurance, flexibility, agility, and all it takes is a few household items. So we're going to show you what you can use while you do your own circuits at home. We suggest you do each of the stations for 1 minute. So you'll set a timer for 1 minute, and then once it goes off, you'll move to the next station for 1 minute. Start with one rotation of all 6 activities, and then once your endurance is built up, you can try doing it 2 times, then 3 times, then maybe even 4 times for a total of 24 minutes of exercise. So our first station is up on board. Our girls are going to introduce themselves and then tell you what station they are doing.
Hi, my name is Kendall Carter, and I'm going to be doing bicep curls. You can use water bottles or canned goods. First you pull up and then you let down. Pull up and then let down.
My name is Ray Carter, and today we're going to be doing tricep dips with a chair. First, put your hands here, then put your legs in front of you, then dip.
Hey, my name is Elijah Hodges, and today I'm going to be doing leg exercise with washcloth. So first, put the washcloth down on the floor and put your feet on there and do this and do the other.
Hello, my name is Dawn Jordan. I'm the Program Educator Assistant for Lincoln University here in Carruthersville, Missouri. I'm getting ready to do arm exercises, and this can be done with a t-shirt or a towel. So first you take your t-shirt, you put it behind your back, and when you go down, you want to elevate your arms like this. And as you go down, you want to hold it, and then come back up, and then you'll do it again.
Hello, my name is Dallas Rose, and for my exercise, we're going to be laying on the ground. So first, you lay on the ground and get any type of ball you have at home and put it between your knees and do hip bridges, which is lift your stomach, anything, up and hold it. Down and hold it.
Hello, my name is Joanna Moore, and today we'll be doing kettlebells. I'm going to be doing it with a detergent jug or a milk jug. First, you got to open your leg a little bit, put the squat down, put the jug between it, and swing it up.
We hope that you enjoyed our circuit training exercises today, and there are so many other things you can use in your household to help you circuit train. We just chose these 6 items today. You can find our sheet with instructions on it on the Strive for Health Facebook page and on the Google Drive. We hope you join us again. We have 1 more week of our wellness challenge, and so we hope you tune in again next week.